Acknowledging that the country has already secured 200,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines, 120,000 of the Oxford AstraZeneca and 80,000 of the Sinopharm, President Irfaan Ali on Wednesday assured Guyanese that more vaccines are on its way, although he provided no detail on where an additional 200,000 doses will come from. He noted, however, that his administration was in talks with several governments, including Russia, China, and India, and also in direct talks with the producers of the vaccines, including Pfizer and Moderna. Guyana continues to engage the World Health Organization through the COVAX facility, although its proposed doses have been reduced to 24,000.
The government of Guyana is aggressively pursuing a strategy to vaccinate as many Guyanese as would be necessary to attain herd immunity and eventually ensuring all Guyanese are vaccinated. Our goal is to vaccinate as many as 10,000 citizens per day. To achieve this, the government of Guyana is embarking on an integrative approach.
Dr. Ali said in order to store and manage the vaccines and execute the task, the Ministry of Health has engaged various private sector players with the capacity to assist in the rollout. Additionally, the Ghana Defence Force has agreed to make some 400 ranks available to help with expediting the registration of citizens, while persons from local government bodies, civil society, medical and nursing students, and the medical brigade of the GDF will be trained to assist in the process. Persons will also be recruited as volunteers and will be vaccinated as they lend their assistance to the countrywide vaccination drive. Meanwhile, an expanded joint operation between the Immigration Department, the Army, Police, Regional COVID-19 Task Force committees, the private sector and other members of civil society have been engaged in further securing the country's borders, President Ali said. With several religious and cultural events like Pagwa Easter and Ramadan coming up, Dr. Ali made a special appeal for adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines.
The pandemic remains a serious national issue, a major global health concern. I urge you to continue to follow the guidelines. I urge you to continue to stay safe. I urge you to continue to protect your families and your communities by adhering to the COVID-19 guidelines. We are not ahead of the curve. We are still managing this deadly pandemic.
The head of state noted that while the government has tried to strike the balance between the economy and managing the pandemic, businesses need to be responsible. In this regard, he noted that the National COVID-19 Task Force has been advised to pursue charges against owners of establishments that are found in breach of the COVID-19 guidelines. Since commencing its vaccination on March 5, 2021, over 25,000 persons have been vaccinated in Guyana.